This 2012 Land Rover Range Rover Evoque is brought to you by Auto Gallery Chicago. Dynamic premium navigation system, rear view camera, parking sensor, shaded front seats, panoramic sunroof, power rear liftgate, cruise control, adjustable steering wheel, power automatic windows, power door locks, white exterior, two-tone black beige leather interior, floor mats, owner's manual. Please feel free to call us at 630-628-1400 with any question you might have, or ask us for detail walk around. We hope you are our next satisfied online buyer at Auto Gallery Chicago. We strive to provide you with the best quality vehicles for the lowest possible price, and this 2012 Land Rover Range Rover Evoque Dynamic Premium is no exception. We provide low-cost worldwide shipping directly to your chosen destination. Although Auto Gallery Chicago prides itself on accuracy in our descriptions and amp pricing, on occasion, mistakes can happen. Please verify all descriptions and pricing. In the event of a mistake, Auto Gallery Chicago is not responsible for errors. We also reserve the right to withdraw, terminate any vehicle. Visit us at autogallerychicago.com.